Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful tool that's been designed just for you. So get ready to meet your brand new secret weapon for cranking out some amazing promo pages in literally minutes.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You've got this awesome offer, you're ready to promote it, but you're stuck on one thing. You need a great-looking splash page. And let's be honest, you probably needed it yesterday.
And the old way of getting it done, it's just full of headaches, isn't it? It takes forever. You feel like you need to be a graphic designer, and if you try to outsource it, well, that gets pricey, fast. It's just a huge bottleneck that can stop a great promotion dead in its tracks.
But here's the good news. As a Trafficera Club member, you get to just skip all of that. We've built an exclusive tool for you that completely changes the game. It gives you the power to build better pages way faster than you ever thought possible.
Think about it like this. What if you had a professional designer and a top-notch copywriter on your team, ready to go 24/7? Well, that's exactly what this is. Our AI does all the heavy lifting, so you can get back to what you're best at, marketing.
So, what do you actually get with your membership? Well, pretty much everything you need. You get a really generous 50 AI generations every single month, plus hosting for up to 50 pages is included. We give you an instant URL for every page, so sharing is a breeze. But you also get full HTML access if you're a pro and want to host it yourself. It's the whole shebang, right down to adding images, videos, and even a version history to save you from any oops moments. We made this process so simple. Seriously, it's just 4 steps. You start with the link you want to promote, and the AI just writes the copy for you. It's amazing. Then you can tweak that copy a little and pick a visual style that matches your offer. After that, you can pop in an image or a video if you want. And finally, you click one button, and boom, your professional page is live.
Now this part is really cool. This is where you can match the whole vibe of your page to whatever you're promoting. Got a big product launch? You're going to want to use bold and energetic. Selling some high-end coaching? Luxury and premium gives you that exclusive feel instantly. With just one click, you're making sure your page's design actually helps sell your offer. You know, adding a visual is one of the quickest ways to get more engagement, and we've made it ridiculously simple. You can upload an image from your computer or just paste in a link to one. Or, if you have a promo video, just grab that YouTube URL and drop it in. The builder takes care of all the tricky formatting stuff to make sure it looks perfect everywhere. But hey, that first version the AI spits out, that's just the beginning. Once your page is generated, you are not locked in at all. You have total control to tweak it and really perfect it for your campaign. Okay, now this part is really important if you want to get the most out of your monthly credits. You've got 2 ways to edit. First is Quick Edit. This is for text changes. You know, fixing a typo, trying out a new headline. It's instant and it's always free. Then you have AI Revision. Now this is where the real magic happens for any visual changes. For just 1 credit, you get to play Art Direct. And check out how easy AI Revision is. You don't need to know any code. Nothing. You just tell the AI what you want in plain English, like you're talking to a person. You can say things just like this. Make the call to action button bigger and green. Or maybe make the animations a little slower. The AI just gets it and does the work for you. It's an incredibly powerful way to get the exact look you're going for.
I'm going to say this again because it's a huge benefit. All of your text edits are completely free. Fixing typos, A/B testing your headlines, none of that will ever cost you a single credit. So go ahead and save those credits for when you want to make a big visual change with the AI Revision tool. And please don't worry about messing something up or changing your mind. The system automatically saves your last 10 versions, so you can experiment all you want. If you try an AI revision and you don't love it, you can just go back to the last design with 1 click. It's basically your creative safety net.
So, once your page is perfect, it's time to get some traffic to it. You can immediately share the URL we give you anywhere, social media, emails, whatever. For more control, you can download the HTML and put it on your own site. Or, if you want the fastest results, you can add it directly to the Trafficera Co-op and start getting eyeballs on it right away. And to make this a complete no-brainer, we've got a killer bonus for you. The second you create your very first splash page with this tool, we are going to drop 10,000 bonus credits into your account. And you can use those credits across the entire Trafficera platform. There is absolutely no reason to wait on this.
So there you have it. The power to create these stunning, high-converting pages is now in your hands, and it only takes a few minutes. Your next big promotion is literally just sitting there, waiting for you to build it. So the only question left is, what are you going to create first?